Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to share your screen with audio in Facebook Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Messenger app, and once you have opened it, you need to select the person you want to share your screen to. Simply select it and tap on your audio call or video call option, and once you have selected this particular option, simply hit on that option. So after you have done this and they have received your call, all you gotta do is simply tap on this particular icon. After doing this, tap on start sharing and then tap on start now. Once you have done this, now whatever you are scrolling on your screen, like particularly your gallery or your Facebook or your messenger and different kind of activities, this will now be casted on that particular person's phone screen as well. So, by doing this, you will be able to share your screen on Facebook with audio. I hope you found this video helpful. So, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.